Getting the couldn't connect to the internet, switch to another network and try again error on TikTok? It's annoying and it stops everything from loading. Most users think it's their Wi-Fi, but the real fix is much simpler. Let's solve it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here if you see whether the game is officially down or not. If not, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Clear TikTok's cache and data. Go to settings, then tap on general. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, then tap on show all. Next, tap on the app and then tap offload. And again tap offload, and after that, tap reinstall. Now restart your iPhone and open the TikTok app again and see whether it is solved or not. Solution 3. If not, uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the TikTok app, tap remove app, then tap delete app. Again tap delete. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon, type TikTok. Here you can see the TikTok icon. Tap on it, then you will see the install icon. Tap on it. Wait for a while and it will be installed. Now open the app and sign in. Now see what happens. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the last solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open settings, tap general, scroll down, then tap transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap reset. Now tap reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.